Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another version of the Daily Dash. The Daily Dash is a day where we do 1 or 2 Doordashes a day. Today I'm going to do some Tesla comparisons with my friend Dave Matz, who's also got a Tesla. He's got the Model 3. First, I got some pissed off chickens that I got to let out. They've been in here all day because it's been super windy and stuff has been flying around. Normally there's not this much trash in my yard, but there's literally trash everywhere. What's up, dudes? You want out? Yeah? Okay. Wrong side. That's not gonna work. Wrong side, dummy. Gainer. Oh yeah. Gainer likes to be pet a lot. These guys would rather drink out of the water on the ground for some reason. I don't know why. They'd rather, I don't know, these guys like the bowl, and these guys like to drink off the ground. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Daily Dash. We're getting the dash started right now. I am, whoa. Oh, that's gonna be trouble with this thing way over there. Okay, hold on 1 second. I already found the biggest flaw of this car is there's nowhere to put the camera. Jesus. Okay, this is, alright, we're out of the driveway. Alright, there we go. Hopefully that stays for a little bit. We just logged in a Doordash. We are going to do a couple of orders real quick. And this is a horrible angle. Okay. Biggest flaw of the Tesla is there's no spot for the camera. It is plus $2 right now in Green Valley. Oh, this is ridiculous. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the camera. I hate holding the camera. It is plus $2 right now in Green Valley. I just logged in, so we're gonna try to do 1 order or 2 orders real quick. Look, literally everything. You probably can't see it's 2. I'm not gonna. It's just a sign. Look at, but everything in this area is like blown over on its side right now. It was insanely windy last night, and I don't like the wind. This is my biggest pet peeve. I don't know, the biggest downflaw of living in the middle of nowhere where there's like not really any other houses or anything is that it's so windy. You know, the wind is already ridiculous in Vegas, and it's ridiculously ridiculous in an area where there's no houses or trees or mountains or anything to block. So anyways, all right, we are driving over to the outlet mall. Let's go real quick and get an order. A quick poll with the audience. Let me know in the comments down below, would you guys get a Tesla Model Y or a Model 3? Because the Model Y is quite a bit bigger, and I'm really noticing, like, look around, there's quite a bit of space. So it's more of a like an SUV. Somehow it still kind of looks mostly like a car, but it's basically like an SUV. And I like it a lot. I would probably get the Model Y. So comment down below, would you rather get the car, which looks more of kind of like a sporty, like the Tesla Model 3 looks like a Porsche from the front. But let me know in the comments down below which one you guys would rather get. Tesla Model Y or Model 3. Alright, so let's get on the topic of why you guys clicked on this video. Should you buy a Model Y or a Tesla Model 3 to do delivery driving? And shorter answer is going to be no, because it's just going to devalue way too quickly. But in my case, I'm doing so many different things. Like, I could be editing, like this little space right here, that is perfect for a computer to sit. And one thing that's beautiful is like this car can basically just drive itself. Like, so it's pretty safe on road trips, especially if you're driving and well, it's kind of scary when it goes around and turns by itself. Anyways, so when the car is driving itself, like you can basically kind of like, I don't know, you shouldn't be screwing around. You should always be paying attention. But if you needed to get something out of the back, or if you needed to answer an email or something, the car is damn good at driving itself. Like, I think the legalities of driving itself aren't there yet. Like, they just it's not completely legal for the car to just go straight from point A to point B without you doing anything. But the car easily could, you know, like, I'm not touching anything. This car is literally zooming on its own right now. That's one thing that's beautiful about road trips, is you can kind of be like halfway here and halfway there. And like, if you wanted to, like, I don't know, you could watch like sports on your phone or something. Probably not a good idea. Don't do that, actually. Don't do that. I'm just saying, You could if you want to. And I was listening to the Elon Musk podcast with Joe Rogan, and he mentioned that you could play games the whole time. I'm like, Elon, I don't think you want to say that. He's like, yeah, but it's not legal. Anyways, it's a funny little clip that I was like, probably shouldn't say that, because that's exactly what I'm saying. But he's the owner of the company, you know. If he's driving around doing it, I mean, I bet you Elon has like a super, like, the fucking, sorry, no cussing, the most souped up of Teslas. I bet you he has like the cream of the crop Tesla model. I think he drives Model S. That's what he said was his favorite car. Black Bear Diner, $10 for 4.2 miles. Anyways, right now I am thoroughly loving this thing because it's super fun. You don't really, like, all you need is this key card, and you don't really need this key card if it's actually your Tesla, because it just goes off of your phone. So basically you can eliminate having your keys in your pocket, and nowadays you can pretty much eliminate having your wallet by just having like a cell phone case that carries your credit card. So you could basically, with this car, all you really need is your cell phone, you know? So that's one of the things that I like, because I don't like having too many things in my pocket. That's getting kind of annoying. And it's like, we should be able to kind of survive just off of only having our cell phones nowadays, in my opinion. But anyway, so should you buy a Tesla Model Y? Short answer is going to be no. But if you want to, I'm not going to say it's a bad idea, because this thing is, one, extremely safe. It is by far the safest car on the road, in my opinion, and in a lot of people's opinions. They get like 5-star on absolutely everything. So that's one thing that I like, because I always think like car crashes and like being in a car is probably like the most dangerous place to be, and it's probably statistically like one of the most likely places where you're gonna die. So if you have a Model Y or like a good Tesla, then you're probably generally pretty safe. You know, this car literally will avoid car crashes for you. If someone was to swerve in your car, when I had the Model 3 before, the car literally swerved me out of the way while I was driving. I didn't even know. It just took control. It was like, bitch, I know what I'm doing better than you do. So swerved me right out of the way. So that's one good thing. The only problem is it devalues itself pretty quickly. So obviously you can't lease it because of how much you would be driving around as a delivery driver. But in my case, I want to do like Tesla talks, and like that's my next topic, so no one steal it. But anyways, driving around just talking about random stuff, that's going to be my next version of like the daily dash like this is. So we're going to be doing like one daily dash every day, and then we'll maybe do like one Tesla talk every day. So we just kind of drive around, let the car drive us around, and then talk. Maybe we'll have someone else in here and do like a kind of a podcast thing. I thoroughly enjoy like the car cast idea of a podcast, like kind of just doing it in a car rather than in my studio. I don't know, I have this nice studio, I never use it anymore. It's just kind of chilling there. But anyways, let me know down below what you guys think about the interior. Should I do white or should I do black? Personally, I wish there was a red option, because that would be pretty damn sweet. But anyways, all right, let's go get this order from Black Bear Diner. Got the order, and we're gonna have a disappointed customer, because they asked me to use the hot bag the entire time. One, this bag is way damn bigger than the hot bag. Two, I don't have my hot bag with me anyways, so that is in my actual car, and I am driving this Tesla around. And you know what's funny is that is the first time I've ever seen an order where someone is specifically requesting the hot bag, and this is the first time that I actually don't have it in my car, because I'm doing a test drive in a Tesla. So it's unfortunate timing, but I guess I'm just gonna sacrifice the bad review, because I don't have like a bag with me, and I'm yeah, I don't know. Sorry, customer. It's unfortunate, but normally I try to take all the customers pretty seriously and give them like the best customer service, but this person is going to be disappointed when I don't show up with a hot bag at their porch. Bummer. Oh well. Alright, one order down, and I'm gonna head over to my friend Dave's house, because we're doing some Tesla comparisons, and we're gonna do some other fun Tesla stuff today while I have the Tesla. And sorry if this daily dash was a little bit short, but yeah, so if you guys are interested, oh my god, this thing beeps at you. My Ford Explorer does not beep at me when I'm not wearing a seatbelt, but for safety reasons. You know, it was funny because Elon Musk was talking about how it's potential that airbags are actually going to be, if not already are, safer without seat belts because of how advanced they are. But for now, we'll stick to the seat belts. You know, I'm a little bright. Anyway, so I'm gonna drive over to David's. But if you guys haven't yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video because it greatly helps out my channel quite a bit, and hopefully I entertain you guys while also giving you guys a little bit of information and tips and stuff. And I try to keep my videos as like informational as possible. But yeah, so Tesla drive, so far so good. I think I'm definitely gonna end up buying one just for the fact that I really am a big fan of Tesla. Like, Tesla is definitely probably my favorite brand on the company or on the earth, and I don't even care how much the car costs. Really, I will devalue this car and drive it around just because I really enjoy having the car and just really enjoy like supporting Tesla, because I think I love what Tesla's doing as far as like global warming and all this stuff. It's just like one of those brands that I will 100% stand behind. Anyway, so if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.